Hello, Dr. Bill here. Today we're going to be looking at solving inequalities and avoiding common traps on the ACT, PSAT, SAT, etc. So if you like this lesson, please subscribe to my channel, share with anyone that could possibly benefit from it, like the video and hit the bell icon so you can be alerted to future videos. Okay, so let's take a look here. Sometimes students get a little bit intimidated by inequalities, and really they're not so bad. There is one common trap that they use on the standardized tests that we need to be aware of. So we're going to look at that here. So we have the problem if negative 2/3 m plus 1 is greater than or equal to 7/9, what is the value of m, right? Okay, so let's start out by writing the problem down. Negative 2/3 m plus 1 is greater than or equal to 7/9. Now, I just want to go step by step for those of you who are unfamiliar with inequalities so that you don't get lost along the way. So the first thing that we can maybe do here is we notice that this fraction is negative 2/3 m, right? And then here we have 7/9. So we could easily create a common denominator of 9 over here with the negative 2/3 m. So why don't we start by doing that? Now, in order to get 9 in the denominator here, we would have to multiply 3 by 3. And whatever we do in the denominator, we must do in the numerator as well. So we're going to multiply negative 2/3 m by 3 over 3, and we're going to get negative 6/9 m plus 1 is greater than or equal to 7/9. Okay, great. Now we want to obviously isolate the variable, the negative 6/9 m. So we're going to bring this 1 over to the other side. And let's do this in the form of 9 over 9. 1 is simply 9 over 9. And by calling this 1 9 over 9, now we've created a common denominator there as well, right? So we're going to then, we'll just keep this here. And we get 7/9 plus negative 9 over 9. Now remember that obviously when we want to bring that over to the other side, we have to make it negative. So that's what we've done here. I could just say minus 9 over 9, but it's a lot easier to add a negative than subtract a positive. So it's the same thing. And then over here, then we still have our negative 6/9 m. So now you see we've created a common denominator across. Everything is in terms of m, right? Okay, or 9, excuse me. Okay, so let us now, again, negative 6/9 m doesn't help us. We want to know the value of m. So we want to get rid of this 9 in the denominator. So what we're going to do is negative 6/9 m is greater than or equal to 7/9 plus negative 9 over 9. Now all I'm going to do is multiply everything on both sides by negative 9, okay, by negative 9. And when I do that, something very important happens here. And again, this is what they catch people with all the time on the standardized tests, PSAT, SAT, ACT. Whenever we multiply or divide an inequality by a negative number, we need to remember to switch the direction of this inequality sign. So I've drawn this kind of dotted arrow now so we can do that first so we don't forget. Because again, if you forget to switch that sign, the wrong answer will be waiting there for you as a trap, right? So here we're going to switch the direction of this inequality sign, right? And now negative 9 times negative 6 over 9m, those 9's will cancel. And again, we're multiplying a negative by a negative, which is going to create a positive. So that makes 6m on the left side, right? And then here, once again, we are going to have the 9's cancel in the denominator on this side. And we're going to get here on the right-hand side, negative 2. I'm sorry, positive 2, my bad. We're multiplying by a negative number. So 7 ninths plus negative ninths, right, is negative 2 ninths times negative 9 would be positive 2, okay? And then we simply solve for m here by dividing both sides by 6. And now our 6's cancel, and we get m is less than or equal to 1/3. Again, 2/6 reduces to 1/3. And that is going to be answer C as in cat, right? Now we do notice here, there's that trap answer I was talking to you about, m is greater than or equal to 1/3. That's going to catch a lot of test takers who forget to reverse the inequality, right, sign. So we need to remember that. So again, I hope this brief lesson on inequalities was helpful. Please, again, subscribe to the channel if you have not. Like the video and share with anyone that you think could benefit from it. Hit the bell icon to be alerted of future videos. This is Dr. Bill. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.